So you may have just picked up a wireless keyboard, and you might be trying to figure out if you can actually still use a wireless keyboard if you have that USB dongle missing. Now it completely depends. Number one, if your keyboard is a Bluetooth keyboard that just used a Bluetooth wireless receiver, you might just want to see if you can find a way to put this keyboard in pairing mode. If there's a way to, click buttons to put it in pairing mode, if you can search online for that exact keyboard, you might be able to go through and see if you can put it in pairing mode still. But if that is not a possibility, and if your keyboard is one that requires the USB receiver, there's not really a way of going through and using this keyboard wirelessly with that particular machine without that USB receiver. Those USB receivers are proprietary. They are like one-to-one. There's no way to even fake this or spoof the way of getting it. The only way you can even kind of go about it is if you have your developed, if you know the manufacturer who made that, you can maybe contact them. So if it's like HP or Dell or somebody like that who made that keyboard, you might be able to contact them and get more info from them. But for the most part, almost every single person watching this, that's not going to be a possibility. Unless your keyboard has a little charging port at the top, or it has some way to connect it to a PC. If you have a way to connect your keyboard to your PC via a wired connection, maybe you won't be able to use it wirelessly, but you can still use that keyboard via the wire, and you can still use it that way, which I think would still be very beneficial for a lot of people. So you can go through, use your keyboard that way. That's another way you can do it. But to use it wirelessly without that receiver, there's really no way of doing it. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.